students, welcome to my new class, Profitability Ratios. The important objective of every business is to make profit. Profit is needed for the growth and survival of a firm. Some persons are interested in knowing the profitability of a business concern. Profitability ratios helps in measuring the profitability of a business. The profitability ratios are again divided into four. Mainly they are gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, operating profit ratio, expenses ratio. What are the four major profitability ratios? Gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, operating profit ratio and expenses ratio. First one is gross profit ratio. Gross profit ratio expresses the relation between gross profit to sales. We can calculate it as gross profit divided by net sales into 100. Gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit divided by net sales into 100. Gross profit ratio is calculated by gross profit divided by net sales into 100. Gross profit ratio measures the profitability in the trading process or to assess the trading profit. Gross profit ratio measures the efficiency in the trading or production. We can calculate gross profit. The first formula for calculating gross profit is equal to sales minus cost of goods sold. Sales minus cost of goods sold. That is gross profit. എത്രയാണ് സെയിൽസ് അതിൽ നിന്ന് നമ്മുടെ കോസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ഗുഡ്സ് സോൾഡ് എത്രയാണ് നമുക്ക് വരുന്ന കോസ്റ്റ് ആ സെയിൽസിൽ അത് മൈനസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നതാണ് ഗ്രോസ് പ്രോഫിറ്റ്. Gross profit is equal to sales minus cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is equal to. ഇനി എങ്ങനെയാണ് cost of goods sold കാണുക? Opening stock plus purchases plus direct expenses minus closing stock. Opening stock plus purchases plus direct expenses minus closing stock is cost of goods sold. So cost of goods sold കാണാനുള്ള ഫോർമുല നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു. Next one is net sales. How we can find net sales? Net sales is equal to gross sales minus sales return. Net sales is equal to gross sales minus sales return. So once again I repeat, gross profit ratio. Gross profit ratio expresses the relation between gross profit and net sales. Gross profit ratio measures the profitability in the trading or production process. Gross profit ratio can be calculated as gross profit divided by net sales into 100. Gross profit can be calculated from sales minus cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is equal to opening stock plus purchases plus direct expenses minus closing stock. Net sales is equal to gross sales minus sales return. The standard ratio of gross profit ratio. The standard ratio of gross profit ratio is 20 or 25. 20 or 25%. 20 or 25% is considered satisfactory. Then we can solve a problem. You have to write the question. Question 1. Compute GP ratio. Compute compute GP ratio. The particulars are sales 5,12,000. Sales 5,12,000. Sales return 10,000. Sales return 10,000. Next one, opening stock. Opening stock amounted to rupees 82,000. Opening stock amounted to rupees 82,000. Closing stock 64,000. Closing stock 64,000. Purchases 3,92,000. 3,92,000. Purchase return 8,000. Purchase return 8,000. These are the particulars are given in the problem. Compute GP ratio from the following. Sales rupees 5,15,000. Sales return 10,000. Opening stock 82,000. Closing stock 64,000. Purchases 3,92,000. Purchase return 8,000. GP ratio is equal to gross profit divided by net sales into 100. Gross profit divided by net sales into 100. How the GP is calculated? എങ്ങനെ നമുക്ക് GP calculate ചെയ്യാം? GP calculate ചെയ്യാനുള്ള formula GP is equal to gross profit is equal to sales minus cost of goods sold. Sales minus cost of goods sold. Sales is equal to 5 lakhs. Sales 5,12,000. Returns 10,000. Then we deduct the returns from the sales. Those sales will be 5,02,000. 5,02,000. Sales is equal to 5,02,000. Sales il ninna returns minus cheyyumbozhana 5,02,000 kittam. The next one, cost of goods sold. We can know the cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is equal to opening stock plus purchases plus direct expenses equally minus closing stock. Okay. Opening stock amounted to rupees 82,000. Opening stock 82,000. ഇവിടെ പർച്ചേസസ് നമുക്ക് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, പർച്ചേസ് റിട്ടേൺസ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ പർച്ചേസസിൽ നിന്ന് റിട്ടേൺസ് മൈനസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള ഫിഗർ ആണ് പർച്ചേസസ്. പർച്ചേസസ് amounted to rupees 3,84,000. റിട്ടേൺസ് മൈനസ് ചെയ്യണം. പ്ലസ് ഡയറക്റ്റ് എക്സ്പെൻസസ്. ഡയറക്റ്റ് എക്സ്പെൻസസ് ഇവിടെ ഇല്ല. സോ ക്ലോസിംഗ് സ്റ്റോക്ക് amounted to rupees 64,000. 64,000. So cost of goods sold is equal to 82,000 plus 3,84,000 minus 64,000, that is 4,01,600. 4,01,600. 4,01,600. $64,400 closing stock. Now we will get 4,01,600. 4,01,600. Then we can substitute in calculating gross profit. Gross profit is equal to sales minus cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is placed as 4,06,1,600. 4,01,600. Then we will get the gross profit is equal to 1,04,00,000. Gross profit is equal to 1,04,00,000. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ GP കാണാനുള്ള ഫോർമുല gross profit divided by sales into 100. Gross profit കാണാൻ sales minus cost of goods sold. Return ഒക്കെ നമ്മൾ മൈനസ് ചെയ്യും. Then അപ്പോൾ അതുകൊണ്ട് sales നമുക്ക് 5,02,000 minus cost of goods sold കാണാൻ opening stock plus purchases plus direct expenses minus closing stock. ഒരു ഡയറക്റ്റ് എക്സ്പെൻസ് നമുക്കില്ല, ബാക്കിയെല്ലാം നമ്മൾ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ 4,01,600. രണ്ടും തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിഫറൻസ് GP 1,04,00,000. Then we can calculate net sales. Net sales is equal to total sales minus sales return. We already got this 5,02,000. Sales il ninna sales return minus ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 5,02,000. Then we can substitute it in the equation. GP ratio is equal to GP divided by net sales. GP divided by net sales into 100. GP divided by net sales into 100. GP is equal to 1,04,400. 1,04,400 divided by net sales 5,02,000 into 100. We will get 20%. That is gross profit ratio.